Hey guys, my name is Stephanie, and today we're going to be installing product by Mammoth, the 1.75-inch aluminum billet wheel spacers. We're going to give you a little install video and hope you like it. We have here Mammoth's 1.75-inch billet wheel spacers in black. For those of you that are wondering, this is part number J137101, and we're going to be installing these on my 2021 Jeep Wrangler JL. Now I did order these in black, but they do come available in silver and red for those of you looking for a little bit of flash. Pretty basic part here, you can see. I opted to buy the set of all four. Also comes with thread locker. And there is 2 in each box. So we have front and rear. So Mammoth's wheel spacers come with a hub-centric design, meaning that when you're putting this on your rotor, this is actually going to fit centered around this center hub here, meaning that the weight is going to be distributed more evenly and not just on your 5 lugs. So inside your box with your wheel spacers, you should have also gotten a bottle of thread locker. And before we put our spacers on, we're just going to put a thin line of this thread locker on all 5 of these lugs. And this is going to help ensure that the lug nuts that we place on here don't move. Part of the reason that we're doing this install is because we're looking to install some 35s on stock suspension. This is going to make them stick out just a little bit more. Okay. So we're going to be starting this off with a 3/4 inch socket. We're going to get these in nice and close, and then we're going to follow this up with a torque wrench set to about 130 foot-pounds of pressure. Once we get the tires back on, we're going to run for about 100 miles, and then we're actually going to take the tires off. We're going to re-torque them. Not going to set these to full tightness until you've had a chance to seat them all at least a little bit, and then we'll go through and star pattern again. Would this be faster with an impact wrench? You bet. Did I have the right socket to fit the impact wrench? No. Okay, so we got the tire back on. Set with the impact wrench. Now I'm just going to go over the lugs with 130 foot-pounds of pressure with the torque wrench. This is a 22 millimeter. And again, after about 100 miles, we're going to check them again. So that's it, guys. Thanks very much for watching. Shout out to Extreme Terrain for allowing me the opportunity to show you how to install these bad boys. And lots of love to my husband for doing the video recording for me and making sure I didn't injure myself doing this. But if you have any questions, comments, or concerns, reach out to Mammoth 4x4 Off-Road or extremeterrain.com. Thanks. Have a great day.